I just remember this magnificent whale just slowly coming to the right of me and coming for another look, and and I kind of felt like talking to it like a dog, like, or an animal. I said, hey, that was it. Maybe it was giving me a high five. I don't know. I certainly thought it was like a little minibus size. It was big. It was the biggest whale. I've seen a few whales in Bondi before, just walking, but this was the biggest I've seen, and we were so close to it. So it looked massive. It looked like an alien to us, like one of those alien spacecrafts or something. It was amazing.
Look, you just saw basically surfers, surfboards, swimmers thrown into the air like Skittles. I've never seen anything like it. It was like they were soft toys getting thrown around the cot by a whale, and the whole beach sort of gasped basically.